With star 901 hash, you have the freedom to do more. Get a loan, transfer money from Access Bank to any bank, buy airtime on all mobile networks, check your account balance, open a new account, inquire about your BVN, change your PIN, and generate your bank statements. Star 901 hash is convenient, simple to use, requires no data, and can be done on the go. Just dial star 901 hash to get started. Access, more than banking.
Let me put it this way. We go to the next one, which is manufacturers. We might not be able to complete it today, but where we stop today, by the grace of God, we continue next week. The slides are there, but I've just been informed now that time has gone. But what you could do so as to extend our time is to use just only one advert so that we can still have another 2 minutes. Just use only Access so that we can create some time to do this. Looking at the manufacturers, facing, looking at this result. Have you seen this kind of result before in the market where a company will grow top line 59.39%, bottom line 138.09%, and then earning per share from 47 kobo to 1 naira 11 kobo. PE ratio 5.52. Earnings. Have you seen it before, particularly in this industry?
I think what will happen on Monday, PC will be the bride that most people will be looking for. I don't think I will.
I've been talking, am I not a prophet now? I've been talking about what do you need that I say that I have not said about fixing? Must you wait until we begin to see results? I'm the oracle. I see beyond the norm. I've told you. This about fixing now is becoming the reality. If the price of fixing doesn't grow by at least 50% before they release their audited report, I will know the market is not fair arena.
I think from this, the market will definitely look at the direction, but growing by 50% is not market discretion.
All right. Now, cement manufacturers have the highest profit margin, no doubt. All right, but don't you think that they should have done better than this? Because if you look at Bua, you look at what we wrote as this cement is Dangote as cement, and you look at Lafarge, shouldn't they have done better than this?
But this is exactly what we have seen. They should have done better than this, but this is the reality.
Is the price of Nestle justified?
At 1,400.
Place the chart, the data on the screen permanently so that so that they can analyze on their own.
We have said this before that because of the shareholding structure of Nestle, you really cannot take it up or break it down as you like. Yes, the price you may say may not be justified, but look at the dividend they have paid over time. I think it has done so. I believe those people that took position in Nestle at 16 naira, at 200 naira, 300 naira.
That time?
Yes, they are still in position.
Okay, when leave Nestle, Dangote Sugar didn't do well.
Yes.
Any information?
You can see that they drop in their top line, and finance costs grew astronomically from 1.9 billion to 6.99 billion. That is 223%. So that was what actually wiped up their top line and make them.
What do you have to say about May and Baker? Their result is very fantastic. The PE ratio of May and Baker is just 8.52.
May and Baker and Fissy are almost working. They are paired. They are working hand in hand. I believe that what is happening, what will happen in fixing from Monday, we actually will touch that of
highly priced stocks with high PE ratio. Are they viable as fresh investment?
Yeah, they are. But you know why they have PE ratio? Because of the price. Like I said before, the equation of PE ratio means price all over earnings, which means that the earnings that they are churning out is not that commensurable with the price. So that is why the PE ratio will be high. I believe it's viable, especially those that want to wait for dividend, that if you take position in Nestle, not just because of capital appreciation, because after 1,400, where do you think Nestle will go to? But you'll be collecting your interim dividend and final dividends.
Okay, we go to the last we will be able to do today. This one is just what I would call mixed bag. They include insurance, equities, and others. Okay, but in this one, Transcorp seems to be the star here at a price of about 1 naira 7 kobo 57.39 growth in the top line, 671.24% growth in the profit after tax. Earning per share from 44 kobo to 33 kobo for the third quarter, bringing the third quarter P/E ratio to 3.23, and then earnings yield 30.96. Though the profit margin could improve, it's 15.74%. Aruna, do you have this equity in your portfolio?
I actually wanted to take position in when the result came, but the sell pressure was what frustrated that move. I remember that Transcorp would have opened the market at 112 kobo that day, but the sell pressure was so much that they only opened at 106, and it has not gotten between 106 and 109.
Now, when you see that kind of price movement, that there is improved earning, and the price seemingly is not adjusting to it, what do you think investors should do?
It is still pie, because I believe that sell pressure is not going to last. By the time people that are eager to sell have sold, it will,
why should they be eager to sell when in the face of this kind of result? Do they think that this result is not sustainable?
Let me tell you, though we saw a tremendous inflow of fund in the market last week, but you should also understand that it's a circular flow. If you come in the same morning that you want to move from Transcorp to Guinness, to go and take position from Transcorp to ICO because of the 12/9 bonus.
But let me tell you, if your fund should move, Transcorp is one of those equities that your funds should actually move to. Let's talk about NGX. Even if I have one more minute, they said I have to go. I will talk about this NGX. All right? What will you say briefly before we round off?
NGX is just transported from
a
non-profit organization. They've been doing the income and expenditure. Now they are not the proper profit and loss. And with this demutualization.
You are a broker. You will not say their performance
because of this demutualization, a lot of funds have to go into it. It was not just that you just woke up and say you want to demutualize. There are a lot of processes, and they will have spent money.
We will talk more on that subsequently. This last one, Presco has superior result than Okomu. Why is Okomu price higher?
Dividend payout. If you look at, do you have like 1 minute? If you look at the Okomu quarter 4 was 8 naira 26 kobo. They pay 7 naira. Now quarter 3 is 12 naira. So we are looking at 10 naira. By the time they do 15, we'll be looking at 12 naira. Why would the price not move?
I think it's been a fantastic presentation. You don't get it better than this. If we have 3 more hours, we'll have more time to do this that we are doing. I want to say a very big thank you to you for being there. And then stay tuned on Metro FM 97.7 Monday to Friday from 8:45 in the morning to 9 in the morning, and log on to our website they said no www anymore, stocksng.com, stocksng.com. All right, don't forget, look for Abid Shelder on Facebook and then join the association. Management of Lagos Television, thank you to you. Staffers of Lagos Television, thank you to you. Aruna, thank you for coming. My team, you are the best. Until next time, when we shall be coming your way again, I remain yours sincerely in wealth creation, its accumulation and preservation. God bless you. Enjoy your week. Happy New Year. Happy New Month to you also.
This is the future. This is the time to do more. Give more. Help more. Be more. A future where more compassion and more empathy will make us more human. A future where more technologies and more digital platforms will help bring more people to safety and prosperity. Welcome to the future. Here, you can be more with us. Access, more than banking.